Hello friends, welcome back again to our video. Today I want to show you new USDC mining on SafePal. So if you are following us, you have been following us on this channel, please just watch this video and you can be part of it. So I'm going to click on the dApp link. Just watch. So when you start your own, that's exactly how you're going to go about it. Just pay attention. Now, while you wait, there's something will get to this point. Please, just once you click on that link, just speak, patient. You're going to get to this point. Now, once you are here, you click on Connect Wallet. You click on, you can see where I have Start Mining. Connect Wallet first. And you're using SafePal. It should be that you already have SafePal in your wallet. You can see I click on SafePal. It's connecting it now. Make sure you have SafePal already installed on your phone. Are you seeing it is connecting? So I'm going to put my SafePal wallet. So you're not going to see this. That's connecting. Now it's connected. I'm going to click on Agree. I click on Agree. So I attach that. Just watch. It's loading. Just pay attention. It's a very good mining dApp. You take your time. Once you are gone, you are in here. The next thing you need to do is to make a deposit of USDC coin on that Polygon network. The minimum you can start with is $10 or USDC. Just do that and then click on Start Mining. Now, if you deposit, you're going to see that your total balance will be whatever you put in there. Then you click on Start Mining, and from that moment you start earning. You can now take your time and study. You can see what you earn VIP one from $5 to this, what you start earning each day, each moment, and everything. Take your time and study everything you need to do. But if you have a question, you can chat me up on WhatsApp to ask your questions. So I encourage us to start with this. Now, remember, I'm not telling you that this is, all in all, you cannot close, you cannot sell, but at least for now, I hope we can get something from this. I'm going to put in money. Maybe the next video is to how to make deposits correctly. For those who may not know how to do, because I'm going to make deposits on this and you see exactly how it works fully. So let's get to do this. Sign up with the link you're going to see in the video description area and chat me up if need be on how to go about it. So that is exactly that. If you look at this now, you can see that dApp address is already here. You're no longer seeing Connect Wallet because the dApp is already here. So that's it. Let's go now.